has a 6 after it. Do we get the point?
Yeah. I love it.
Any questions? Okay, for E I get, hold on, for E I get 2.1445. F, there's some question, right? Because it's 9 and then what happens? I changed it to 0.454. Okay? For G, 0.8387 and H, 0.8387. All right.
You know, like, actually, you said this might be on the food, or do you think this was point?
I'm going to show you when you would use this and how. Okay? I'm going to do 2 examples. I know there's only 1 example listed here, but I am going to do 2. Okay, unfortunately, these are going to disappear, but I will go over them again if you need to. And we've got 2 little examples. Okay, first we've got this lovely triangle. It didn't show up. Shh. Guys, I'm going to have to change your seats. You can't be quiet while I'm talking. All right, so we're looking at sine of B. So here's B right here. What is opposite B? Good. What is adjacent to B?
4.
Okay. And what is the hypotenuse?
5.
Okay. So we remember sine is what? SOHCAHTOA. So sine means opposite over hypotenuse. What's the opposite?
3.
And what's the hypotenuse?
5.
Okay. Cosine, so SOHCAHTOA, so C-A-H, adjacent over hypotenuse. So that would be? What's adjacent to B?
4.
Okay. And tangent, TOA, O-A. So what's opposite over adjacent? 3 over 4. Perfect. There is one more problem that we're going to do. I need you to put it on the back. It's not on there. We're going to add it.
Wait, Miss Murphy, how are we going to do our homework if we have to do this thing and like
You're going to have to, almost all calculators have this, but also your computer has it, but I'm going to show you what you would do. Okay, so let's say B is, we'll say 26 degrees. We know that the tangent is 8. I want to know, so we want to use tangent, which is opposite over adjacent, so we want to have 8, and I want to find x. Okay. All of your homework tonight is just going to be tangent. All of it's going to be tangent. Tomorrow, it's just going to be sine and cosine. Okay? So today is just going to be tangent. What is tangent again? Tangent is opposite over adjacent. So we want the tan of 26. So here's 26. So I put tan 26 equals, what is opposite 26? 8. And what's adjacent? Opposite over adjacent. We're going to think of this as cross multiplying.
No.
Okay? So let's cross multiply. What's 1 times 8? 8 equals x times tan, 26. Right? But we want to get the x by itself. How do we do that? Divide. These cancel, and I'm left with 8 tan 26 equals x. So now I stick this in my calculator. I get out my handy-dandy calculator, and I hit 8 first, then divide, then that trig button, go over to tan. In tan, put 26. Hit enter. Yeah, you should. 4. 16.4024. I know. I got it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I would start my homework now if I were you, so you can use these calculators.
Is this how much I think it is?